My name's Elizabeth Hunt and I work with Argentium Silver and for Argentium Silver, and I work with it because I just think it's the most amazing material going. Argentium Silver is actually a superior silver to standard sterling silver. It's purer than standard sterling, which as everybody knows is 925. Argentium is either 940 or 960, which means 94% pure silver or 96% pure silver. It is differentiated by an additional element in the alloy, and that element is a material called germanium. Germanium is what gives Argentium its unique properties, and those are it's hypoallergenic, it's antibacterial, it's fully recycled, it can be fused, which you can't do with standard sterling. It is tarnish resistant, which is fantastic. And it can be heat hardened, which in itself doesn't sound like it's wonderfully exciting, but if you're making thin earring wires or you're making thin bangles, once you've heat hardened it, you've increased the vickers hardness substantially, which means it doesn't dent or kink quite the same way that standard sterling does. It's also whiter than standard sterling. There's a technical scale called the C-Lab scale, which shows white materials, so at white gold, rhodium, platinum, palladium, and standard sterling. Of all of those metals, Argentium is the whitest, and it's great for contrast against coloured stones because it is so white.